Hello guys, I got a new DUMMY13 figure to build. I think this knight is inspired by the game Elder Scroll. The Ascendant Lord, Bane of the Three Alliances. This one uses different waist compared to the previous knight that we build. That being said, it doesn't have the articulation. You'll see it later in the video. The torso sits tightly to the belt part, not giving room for any movement. Well, I made some minor modifications on my first build to get back those missing articulations. You'll see on the later part. This one has toe articulation, which is not present on the previous knight. Very good. But there's no peg hole for mounting magnets, so I just improvised to attach a magnet. This one uses a longer joint for the shoulders, the same size on the torso, so it gives enough room for the arms to be able to hold the sword with both hands. Nice! You're gonna love these articulated pauldrons. Time to attach the articulated tassets. The holder grip on the shield is loose, so you have to glue it. I'm trying to move the torso, but it's tight and no room to move. On my first build, that Black Knight, I sand the torso to have articulation. I remove like 3 millimeters of plastic. The torso can freely move, can bend forward and back, rotate and tilt side to side. Then I glued the waist to the belt. It doesn't have waist articulation, but it's more than enough for me. I also sand the waist armor to allow it to kick forward and stretch a little bit backward. You can see, by default, it can't stretch the legs forward because the armor is blocked by the belt. I glued the waist to the belt to make it more stable. Because it was designed that way, they should change the design of this particular area. The previous knight that I built has very good articulation, except the arms, which are blocked by bulky torso armor. I added a mounting area for my shield, so I can keep it in his back. It looks so cool. Well, at least for me. I wanted to sheath the sword to the shield, but it will hinder the arm's movements. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm happy to reply. Here are some side-by-side comparisons. I got this from Shopee for $5 each. For me, I'll rate it 7 out of 10 by default, but once you modify it, it's 9 out of 10. You can attach a cape if you want to, right under the pauldrons. I tried it and looks much cooler, but I don't have the right fabric. I also tried wrapping a scarf on his neck. Pretty cool. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.